Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Look Fantastic July 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Look Fantastic July 2022. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you receive 6 beauty products from skincare to makeup. And they have also some subscription plan that if you subscribe for them for 12 months, it will cost you only £13, and if you subscribe for them for 6 months, it will cost you around £13.75. I'm not really sure, but all the info and the link will be in the description box below. And before I start, two lovelies, I'm really sorry if I don't have makeup on, but I refuse to do my makeup because it's too hot outside. And I know I said in my lineup spoiler of this subscription box that I won't get this box, but I did it because I like the color of the box. It's yellow. It's one of my favorite color, and it feels summer. So yes, I got this box, and let's open it. When you open it, lovelies, on the box it says sunshine is the most precious gold on earth. And then we have the booklet, and it says let the sun shine. Here we go. Let's see the spoiler for next month first. So what's coming up? August is on the way, and we're taking a moment to refresh after all the summer sunshine. Here is a sneak peek of something to expect in your August box, and this one is worth £15. And this is from Medic 8 Hydrate B5 Intense. Medic 8's original hyaluronic acid serum supercharged, harnessing all of the hydration power of the best-selling Hydrate B5 with added natural moisturizing factor alongside a potent triple action hydration booster. Hydrate B5 Intense recharges the skin internal moisture source. So here we go. So this is the spoiler for next month, and then it says editor's note, and to paraphrase one of our favorite songs, feel the sun on your skin. No one else can feel it. For you, only you can let in. Just as still reminiscing about the hills. Never mind. Welcome to our sunshine edit. July is here, and it's time to sit on the beach, at the park, on a balcony, in the garden, or at a picnic table with the icy lemon Fanta and your July beauty box. We have pulled together some of our favorite products of your best ever sunshine skin this month. The vision was post-pool lounging, getting ready to head out for dinner and drinks. What do you need with you? We have got you covered, head to toe, with a gorgeous and the products that will be inside. And then we have all the products with the description, everything. So let's start. So let's open this box. So it looks like this. It's full packed this month, lovelies, and this box is very heavy. So the first one we have here, and this one was the spoiler for this month, and this is by Terry, and this is just a travel size. It has 4 grams, and this one is like white powder. And I really heard good reviews about this product, so I'm really curious to try. They don't put anymore the price, so I will pop here the exact price. And it says perfect and smoothen to the look of your skin with by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, a translucent setting powder that can be used to lock foundation in place or on makeup-free skin for a flawless looking matte complexion. So yeah, so this is the first item. And the next product we have here, and this one I'm really curious to try, and this is from Umberto Giannini, and this is the Scalp Scrub Exfoliating Anti-Dandruff Treatment, and this is a full size. It has 200 ml. Let's open it, lovelies. It smells like shea butter. So it looks like that. and it feels like, oh, it has that small bits inside. It's quite greasy, but yeah, it smells like shea butter. And here it says, this vegan formula battles excess oil, dryness, and breakage. Pineapple enzymes have a lot of benefits, striving to boost shine, support softness, and alleviate irritation, whilst walnut shell micrograins gently slough away dead skin at the scalp. So yeah, so this is the second item. And then the next one we have, it's from Foamy. This is the shower body bar, papaya and oat milk. I think I tried this one before and I really do like it. It smells really, really nice. This one looks like that. It smells nice. It smells refreshing. Fruity scent. I really love the smell. And I know I tried this one before. And this is a full size, which has 80 grams. Keep skin O2 smooth with foamy shower butter. Shower body bar with papaya and oat milk. The 2-in-1 body bar stimulates your skin with a massaging effect whilst hydrating. Smells gorgeous. And then the next one we have is from Mind Tan, and this is the replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide, moisturizing after sun gel. And I know I have this one too. I tried it before. It really does help my sunburn, and I will bring this one on my holiday. This one has 50 ml, so this is just a travel size, and this one, it says more than just your average after sun gel. Mind Tan Rapid Recovery contains a blend of skin loving aloe vera and niacinamide for faster, more effective relief from sunburn with long lasting skincare benefits. And also this one, lovely, is good when you have dry skin. It's really, that gives like moisture. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Mio. This is the future proof body butter. You can see it, and this one has 30 ml, so this is just a travel size. And it says the future proof natural body butter is overflowing with omega rich actives and Diruba oil to help protect from dryness, giving your skin an instantly stronger and healthier looking regions. Its thick and smooth texture infused with a new citrus scent feels super soft on the body to nourish and transform the appearance of your skin. Let's smell this one. Yeah, it smells citrusy, refreshing too. So here we go. And the last product we have here, and this is from Cetaphil. This is the gentle skin cleanser, normal to dry sensitive skin. Never tried this one. I might try it. This is the hydrate as it's cleanse to soothe and replenish skin moisture. So this is a gentle skin cleanser. Here we go. This is just a deluxe sample size. It has 29 ml, and this one is recommended as a gentle, non-irritating daily cleanser for sensitive and dry skin. This product is a soap-free formula, removing dirt, makeup, and other impurities without drying the skin, helping the skin retain its needed moisture and leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth, and healthy. So this one, lovelies, you could receive this one or the Beauty Pro Pink Clay one mask. So yes, that's all. So yes, that's all for my unboxing. Let's do a recap, lovely. So you will receive travel size from By Terry, the Hydrocare setting powder, the translucent setting powder, the full size from Umberto Giannini, the scalp scrub exfoliating anti-dandruff treatment, and Foamy, the shower body bar. And then you will receive also the Rapid Recovery from Mind Tan Body Skin, from Mio, the Future Proof Body Butter, and or you could receive this one from Cetaphil, the Gentle Skin Cleanser, or the mask one, which is from Beauty Pro. So yes, this is the product that I received, and overall I'm happy with the products that I received. I will use definitely every single product in this box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. And you, lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you subscribed to Look Fantastic? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.